Hello, and welcome to our PKSim online tutorial series. In this video, we will show you how to add observed data in PKSim. To add observed data, right-click on Observed Data in the Building Block Explorer. You can choose Add Observed Data to import your data, or Add Observed Data for, and then select the compound of your choice. Both options work the same way. However, by choosing the second option, your compound is already predefined. Hover over Add Observed Data for and select midazolam. In the window that opens, select the observed data file you want to import. You can import the following file formats: CSV, XLSX, XLS, and NMDAT. A window called Import Observed Data will open. If your file contains multiple sheets, you can switch between them on the right side of the window. On the left side, you can check whether your source columns match the target columns. You can view the mapping name and its corresponding data within the uploaded sheet. In the Edit Extra Field column, you can edit the units. If you create column headers in your file that include the target and unit, PKSim will automatically fill in these values for each source column. Before importing the data, you must define the species, organ, compartment, and molecule in the mapping area. The molecule field is already predefined if you selected Add Observed Data for. Select human if your data were measured in humans. In the organ field, you can define the organ in which your observed data were measured. You can choose from 20 organs represented in PKSim. If your data represent drug concentrations measured in blood plasma, select peripheral venous blood as the organ. You also need to define the compartment in which your observed data were measured. For plasma concentrations, select plasma. Click Add All Sheets to import all sheets from your file, or click Add Current Sheet to import only the currently selected sheet. The next tab shows a preview of the data to be imported. Finally, you need to name your sheets. You can select from predefined naming patterns in the drop-down menu, or enter a name of your choice. For this example, select the naming pattern, File and Sheet. When you are finished editing, click OK. The observed data now appear on the left-hand side under the Observed Data building block. Double-click on the sheet you want to open. In the sheet that opens, your data are displayed in both a table and a diagram. In the diagram, you can switch between linear and logarithmic scale by clicking the toggle button. Thanks for watching.